Google Forms give you a few options when you're reviewing surveys. So I'm going to show you those different options. If you look on this Google survey that I'm looking at right here, you can see I have a few different types of questions. I have multiple choice question, I have a checkbox question, I have a drop-down question. I believe that's what that is. Yeah, it'll be offer a drop-down option, a rating question, and then I have a matrix, kind of a grid, a multiple choice grid. So I wanted to show you that because when you look at the responses, you look right up here, you can see the charts that display are going to be different based on the type of question that is asked. For example, this right here, this chart is a representation of that scale, the scale question that I had. So it shows the number of responses for each item on the scale. Now, any of these charts, you can copy them just by clicking these little icons right here, copy chart, and then, you know, wherever you paste them, they'll display. So it's kind of an easy way to add them to a presentation. In addition to reviewing responses in summary for each item, you can actually look at them at the individual level. So if I click individual, I can now navigate. I only have 9 responses, which also is reflected right up here. I only have 9 responses, but as I go through, I can use these little arrows to navigate through my different responses, and it will show me the specific responses for each individual that responded to my survey. Now, in addition, you can also export in a couple different ways. So you can download the responses as a comma separated value file, or my favorite way to do it is just to create a spreadsheet. You can create a new spreadsheet or use an existing spreadsheet if you already have one in your drive, in your Google Drive. But I'm just going to go ahead and create a new spreadsheet. I hit create. And then it will create my responses for me. And I can then use the data from here and do anything I could normally do in a Google spreadsheet. So that's how you can review responses, or the basic gist of how you can review responses in Google Forms.